Hello friends, welcome back to Happy Learning with Noor. Today we are going to learn the letter B. Its sound, how to write and fun words that start with B. Are you ready? Let's go. Look, this is the letter B. This is big B and this is the small b. The letter B makes a sound B. Makes a sound B like in a bear. Say it with me. B. B. Great job! Let's write the uppercase B together. Start at the top and go straight down. Now make one big bump and another big bump. Now let's write lowercase b. Start at the top and go straight down. Then add a small round tummy on the right side. Very well done. Now let's see some pictures. Ball. Ball. Banana, banana. Bear, bear. Bought, bought. Bird, bird. Bag, bag. Now let's play a game. Which picture starts with B, B? Bear, cat, doll. Yes, bear. Next slide is zebra, jellyfish, banana. Yes, banana. Alligator, bee, koala. Yes, bee. Now it's your turn to look around your room, or you can see the slide and find something that starts with the letter B. I will give you a few seconds. Ready? Did you find it? Very well done. Great job. It's homework time. Parents, give your child a worksheet with uppercase and lowercase b. Ask them to color and draw one thing that starts with B. Hooray! You learned the letter B, its sound, how to write words with B, and even played a game. Keep practicing, and I will see you next time with the letter C. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.